Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about one of the most important topics in civil engineering, bar bending schedule BBS. If you are a student, site engineer, or fresher in the field, this video will help you understand the basics in a very simple way. So, let's begin. Section 1. What is BBS? First of all, what is BBS? BBS stands for bar bending schedule. It is a detailed list that shows the number, type, size, length, and bending shape of steel bars required for construction. In simple words, BBS helps us know how much steel is required, where it should be placed, and how it should be bent and cut. This makes construction more accurate, saves time, and reduces wastage. Section 2. Importance of BBS. Now you might ask, why is BBS so important? Here are some key reasons. 1. It gives an exact quantity of steel. 2. Helps in cost estimation. 3. Reduces wastage of steel. 4. Makes the work easy for site engineers and bar benders. 5. Very useful in preparing BOQ bill of quantities. Section 3. Basic components in BBS. Let's look at the main things included in a BBS table. Bar mark, a unique number given to each type of bar. Bar shape, straight, bent, crank, stirrup, etc. Bar diameter, like 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm. Number of bars, how many bars are needed. Length of each bar, based on design and drawing. Cutting length, final length after including bends, hooks, and cranks. Total length, weight, steel required in kilograms or tons. From length, we can calculate the weight of steel using the formula weight kilogram equals d squared / 162 times length in, where d equals diameter of bar in mm. So, that's the basic knowledge of BBS. It is very important for every civil engineer to understand this, especially for estimation and site work. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends who are also learning civil engineering. And in the next video, we will cover detailed BBS calculation with real examples.